folks. What am I doing in my garage tonight? I am trying to make more space in here. I basically ejected all the scrap. I've been slacking off cleaning the place, and basically it's a cluster bomb. I don't want to use the F-bomb, but it's a cluster bomb of all kinds of crap. So what I did is I did a little rearranging, and I will, here, I'll show you. I cut my finger, hold on. Let me take the phone off here, and I will flip it around for you. There we go, come on. Wide angle. Basically, this is my little tiny scrap pile that is going over there. Those are the short pieces. If you were ever in my garage, which probably none of you were, here, stop this here and edit it. Right here was a pile of junk. I moved that. This is a pile of junk I moved. There's my TIG welding machine. And I moved all this, and there's my jack stands. See my 3 jack stands I found? I have another jack stand right over here somewhere. They're not jack stands. This vise was under a 2-foot high pile of steel. I cleaned the floor off a little. It's a cluster. That right there is my USMC. That's my USMC mule. You can see it buried in the back. I will dig it out. That's a project I'm finishing. And if you look in this shit area, that's my workbench. Probably shouldn't show that. Let me edit this. Anyway, what I was doing is I was clearing the path here. There was a pile of boxes that I threw out. I put all the bolts. Somebody gave me a pile of boxes of bolts, so I put them all in here, this bucket. That's another pile of junk, scrap metal. There's cast iron pans. There's an old Villers. What is it? Victor Oxford Allen's metal scythe. It's a scrap motor. This is short scraps that go right over here somewhere. This is an old toolbox, which, anybody want an old toolbox? It is a Beach Industries. It was full of ratchets and stuff. There's a metal iron worker here I gotta move. This is my MIG welder covered in junk. This is my non-functional Blue Point, what do you call it? Plasma cutter, which I might just, I don't know, put it online, just sell it for whatever. For about $100 you can buy a new. The tip right here is finished. I want to buy a new one. What else? And I cleaned out this pile of junk. What do I want to do? I want to get enough space over here. If I move this out of the way and the ironwork out of the way, this is being donated. That's just junk in the way. My weed eater's got to go somewhere else. Hose line's got to go. This has got to be finished and set up somewhere over there. This vise, I like my blacksmith vise. I want to bring the 3-wheeler in somewhere in this little area right here. So I'm going to be bringing a 1986 Honda Big Red in here. This is my Austin Mini, which I said I was going to work on this summer, but I don't know. I might just leave it there. It's a good old time. That's my anvil I used to hammer on stuff. Actually, for a while the anvil was my what do you call it? Chop saw table. There's my compressor I bought about 10 years ago. It's probably going to explode eventually. There's my 20-year-old MIG Lincoln welder. And here's my TIG welder, which I don't get much use out of, but I would like to put the bottle somewhere and just roll the TIG welder on somewhere. That's why I got the green hose. There's 25 feet of green connectable hose. So I was thinking of putting the bottle along the wall somewhere. And the mule's buried in a pile of junk. Anyway, this is my junk pile. Let me turn the thing around here. Turn in selfie mode. Come on, phone. So, anyway, that's what I'm doing tonight. Just trying to get this door fixed so I can get the 4-wheeler in here. And that's pretty much it. And yeah, it's kind of weird holding this because you don't know where to look. Like I'm looking over. Do I look over here? So, or I just stare at it, like because I feel like I'm off to the side. Anyway, hope you liked the video. It's just a short, wacky video, but it's my life, and yeehaw! How exciting! Bye.